Welcome to the support and training page here on Profit Stream. In this video, we're going to be going over what Profit Stream is and how you can get started. So Profit Stream is a fantastic video website creator that builds sites full of the best content with a variety of monetization built in and around the site. So let's take a look at one of the sites. Here you can see we've got a very familiar look to the site, and you can see that there is loads of amazing content that viewers will want to watch and absorb the information. Okay, then we've got these monetization elements. We've got banner ads. We've got a subscribe button here, which is actually an opt-in. So there's list building. Okay, we've got these tabs here, and the second one is recommended. So here you're able to promote one specific product. Okay, this could be a high ticket product. It could be low ticket. Okay, it could be just a product that you specifically want to funnel people towards. Then you've got the individual videos. Okay, and then clicking through to an individual video, what you'll see is straight away we've actually got an ad playing on the video. Okay, so this is an ad that we have chosen, a video that we have chosen. You can see there's a call to action here, and you can click the skip to avoid watching this video. Okay, but as I say, here's the call to action. Here is the button that goes to an affiliate link. But if we click skip, it actually starts playing the video in question that they have selected. Okay, likewise, we've got an opt-in button again here. And on the right-hand side, we've got a variety of other ads which promote other products that you can select. Okay, so this is the setup of Profit Stream. Beneath this video, there will be all of the tutorials that show you step by step how to set up these sites or take advantage of the pre-created ones. If you require any further advice and help, make sure you watch all of those videos. Alternatively, jump back to the dashboard and you can find help under help where you can communicate directly with the support team. Okay, so thanks very much. Good luck.